here chilling right now, but I gotta make a little intro. So in this video, it's very, very productive. Your girl got a lot of work done. New tubes, wholesale orders, emails, all that yada yada. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you wanna, see all of that, keep watching, okay? 20 lip scrub order, strawberry, pineapple, and bubblegum. So I'm about to go ahead and start filling these tubes. I have to take some pictures for my website and also for Instagram and stuff. These are the tubes. They are 6 ml and these have been washed and air dried. I still have some soaking right now. I have to rinse them out later tonight, but they are available. Once this video goes up, they will definitely be available because I'm gonna release them tonight. So if you're interested in our black wine tubes for wholesale filled, make sure you check the website. It'll be down in the description box. I'm very, very excited about this. I already know the drill. We're just gonna fill these tubes with our new glosses, the original 6 glosses, and the Glisten Glam glosses. What to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy. So don't be lazy. Just give it to me. 'Cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth the while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you.
should learn that on your own. I'll play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon. And you know just what to do, don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Is the original 6. Sunkissed, For Keeps, Gold Digger, Obsessed, Simplicity, and Boss Babe. If you want to know the scents, make sure you click the link in the description box. This is the Glitz and Glam collection. We have Hustler, Trendsetter, Moneymaker, Boss Up, Me Versus Me, and Ambitious. They look really pretty in the black tubes. These are our most popular glosses in squeeze tubes and wand tubes. These are our nude glosses. We have Dream Chaser, Billionaire, Go-Getter, Millionaire, High Class, and Wealthy. Now that I have these filled, I'm about to go ahead and take my picture so I can get my email done and get it ready to be sent out. So I'm currently getting the email together. Gotta write the little words and stuff, and then I add the other pictures and I'll be done. So I gotta change that right there and these. And then I already have everything up on the site. So let's see right here. So I got new tube. Boop, you see it right there. You see it. It's okay. You see it. And then got this one. We have black top wand tubes now and our white top wand tubes. So we have 2 options for you to choose. We got swatches and stuff. And this is why I do the emails, because I got to order. So somebody's looking at it, okay? Somebody looked at the email. So make sure y'all do marketing emails, because you never know who checks them out and who will end up ordering something. I'm about to go ahead and start prepping these squeeze tubes. This is a Glitz and Glam collection order. She got the glosses Moneymaker, Me Versus Me, and Boss Up, and those come with our chunky glitters. I have to re-up on this one. I'm gonna order some tonight. But yeah, so I'm gonna fill my tubes with the glitter, and then when I wake up tomorrow, I'm gonna fill them with the gloss. So I literally just got finished filming this mini clothing haul. Make sure you guys go check the video out. It's literally a couple minutes and it's like in the beginning of my video. Make sure you guys go check it out for me. Yo, I cannot wait to move, like honestly, because I hate my setup. Like I literally have to film in front of my door because I don't have any space anywhere else. But you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. So I got it done. And now I'm about to go ahead and start working on this wholesale order.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, 'cause baby I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that.
All right, y'all, I am back. It's the next day and I'm ready to work. I'm actually in a pretty good mood. And yeah, we gotta go ahead and get this done. So I am now working on the rest of the regular glosses. And the reason these aren't filled is because I'm doing content for my Instagram. It's a very pretty, colorful order. So I gotta show these colors, okay? And plus, my followers, they love the filling videos. So gotta keep them coming. So now I have Wealthy, High Class, Go-Getter, Simplicity, and Gold Digger to work on. And once again, this customer put gold and it's gold, G-O-A-L, okay? Get with it. It's not gold, it's gold. Yeah, and these ones right here are clear top squeeze tubes. And then these ones right here, like all the ones that I'm about to do right now, are silver top squeeze tubes. Both of those are available for wholesale right now. So if you are interested, click the link in the description box.
You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good love. Where you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh, I don't feel right when I dance alone. I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so. Baby, I do, oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you try to fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good.
So I'm all done. So we have 100 glosses, squeeze tube, glisten gleam, and regular wholesale. And this is for another customer. She got 20 lip scrubs, cotton candy, birthday cake, strawberry, and pineapple. So I'm gonna pack everything up tomorrow. I am so tired. I'm only gonna ship 3 orders off tomorrow, but I think I have like 3 or 4 left to do at the moment. But yeah, I can't do no more tonight. Your girl is tired. I just want to relax. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day now. I'm about to go ahead and pack these orders up. So I have a regular order. This is a bundle. Just trying to get rid of some glosses. I love colorful orders. Like this order is so pretty. So I have it in this box right now because I wanted to take some pictures for Instagram. I'm not sure if I like the pictures, but we're gonna make it work because they gotta see this order, okay? The more you promote on social media, the more customers you get. Not everybody wants the new glosses. Some people want colorful glosses, and it's the perfect time because it's the summer. So you can get nudes mixed with lots of pretty glitter glosses and stuff. We have everything. And we have clear glosses. So yeah, right now I'm about to go ahead and pack this order up and get it ready to go so I can enjoy my day off. And y'all, still don't have any business cards, and my thank you card will not fit in here. I really gotta figure out what I want to do.